Hello everyone. A couple of weeks ago I came across this very interesting game which is the classic snake but with a twist. Quite literally, because the snake is now moving on a 3D sphere instead of a grid. So I immediately got hooked and played it for a couple of hours, but after some time I started to think, how cool would it be if AI played it? So I went on to try and create an AI agent that would play the spherical snake. One of the first things that you need to define for your AI agent is what's called observation. This defines how the AI agent perceives the world. I could of course go with raw pixel values, nothing wrong with that, but I wanted to do with something smaller and more efficient. So that's where whiskers come into play. These are these colorful cones that showcase whether there is danger ahead. You can see that green means no danger, orange means obstacle ahead, and red means high risk of collision. There are also numbers for more precise assessment for the AI. With that in mind, here is how it looks like for the AI agent. It doesn't see its own body nor the sphere. All it knows are these danger sensors and where the pink blob that needs to be eaten is. You can actually play in this mode to see that it is quite more challenging than the normal display. I will leave the link in the description to both, the published game as well as the source code, so you can train your own spherical snake AI agent if you want. Okay, let's see how our AI behaves. This is Stan. Stan needs to eat the pink blob to score points and avoid collisions with its own body. Stan is an AI that learns from its experience. At the very beginning, he will be acting totally randomly, and with each episode, he will get rewarded when he eats pink blobs and punished when it dies due to collision. Currently, he has just a tiny bit higher probability to turn right than left. That's why he makes these slow turns on the sphere. Let's fast forward and see how he acts after 100,000 interactions. Okay, so we have been training a lot with Stan, and he should be doing... Well, that was underwhelming. Stan was able to capture some pink blobs, but pretty much died at the very start. Let's continue training and see if he improves. Nice, we see some progress. Stan is now capable of making some turns which ultimately cost him his life with one wrong turn at the end. Nothing some more training can't resolve. Let's go! Okay, this is a good start. He is navigating nicely. And he crashes. Stan, you need to be more careful. Okay, Stan has been training in the background and he should be much more powerful now. Let's see what he can achieve. Nice, he's faking a lot, making repeatedly left and right actions, but he can navigate and that's what we care about. I sure hope he achieves some impressive high score. Stan? Stan? Are you alright, buddy? Just eat the pink blob. Hey, Stan! This isn't funny. Eat the blob. Okay, let's fast forward this one. Okay, the previous attempt wasn't very successful. Let's hope this one is much better. We can see some strange jiggling happening, but that's fine. Nothing to worry about. Stan eats the blobs nicely, no problems whatsoever. No. No. Stan, why are you doing this to me? Not again. You got this. I believe in you. Just kidding, it's hopeless. Back to punishing Stan for wasting our time. he actually gets a small time penalty to incentivize him to collect the blobs as fast as possible. Over time, he should learn that stalling in an infinite loops isn't what is expected of him. Okay, Stan, you know what to do. Collect the pink blobs, do not crash with your body. As simple as that. You can do this for me, right buddy? Right? Not again. Woohoo! You made it, Stan. You learned how to not get stuck in a loop. Good Snake. With this superpower, nothing can stop you. You are invincible. You can happily go and collect a lot of points. You can... Wait. No. No. Back to punishment. Alright, Stan. Just do your thing. Nice. You learned how to turn both ways. With that, you shouldn't have problems with infinite loops again. I hope. Let's see what you can do. Next! Honestly, I don't have high expectations of you now, Stan. Just try to not get stuck again, okay? Okay, this is good. He has actually learned to make bigger circles. With that, he has enough time to turn and collect the pink blob next time around. Good job, Stan. This isn't the most efficient strategy, but it's your first strategy whatsoever, so I am still proud. Let's speed up a little to see how it goes. And you discovered suicide? There was still room to escape. Back to training. Okay, Stan should behave much better now. Let's see what he can do. He's actually performing really nice and scoring some big points. I just want to remind you all that the link to the published game and the source code are in the description. Feel free to give the game a go or check what other silly things Stan can do. Bye!